Here's an amazing deal you don't want to miss. This 2012 Smart fortwo Pure Hatchback Coupe has extremely low miles, only 55,000, and a dealer service history with a recent service valued at over $575. It also comes with up-to-date Georgia emissions for peace of mind. This is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, plus a 5-year maintenance plan offered at a discounted price in addition to the advertised price. Be sure to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We understand that purchasing a car is a big decision. This vehicle is being offered as one of our certified pre-owned units. Please note that any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and service plan. You can also upgrade the CPO warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. Come in today and drive away in this well-maintained, fuel-efficient Smart fortwo.